Today we're going to take a look at prime numbers and composite numbers. We'll talk about what they are and walk through some examples and tips. Let's start with a prime number. A prime number is a positive whole number greater than 1 that has only two factors, itself and 1. A composite number is a positive whole number greater than 1 that has more factors than just 1 in itself. They are called composite numbers because they are composed of one or more prime numbers. We will go over that in a little bit more detail once we get to prime factorization. But for this video, just remember, composites have more factors. Let's look at the numbers between 1 and 20 and see if we can identify which ones are prime and which ones are composites. 1 is not a prime or a composite. The definition of prime and composite numbers is any whole number greater than 1. What kind of number is it then? Not sure. It's just not a composite or a prime. 2 is a prime number because the only factors of 2 are 1 and 2. That is, 1 in itself. 3 is also a prime number because the only factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Now 4 is a composite number because its factors are 1 and 4 and then 2 and 2. 5 is a prime factor because its factors are 1 and 5. 6 is a composite number because the factors are 1 and 6 and 2 and 3. 7 is also prime because its only factors are 1 and 7. If we continue to look at the rest of the numbers up to 20, you would see that the following numbers are prime: 9, 11, 13, 17, and 19. 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, and 20 are all composites. A couple of tips you should remember when being asked about prime and composite numbers. 0 and 1 are neither prime nor composite, but every whole number greater than 1 is either a composite or a prime. All even numbers, with the exception of 2, will be a composite number. They will always have a factor of 2. All prime numbers will end in 1, 3, 7, or 9. Now, just because it ends in 1, 3, 7, or 9 does not automatically mean it's prime. It just means that those that are prime will end in one of these numbers. Any number that ends in 5 or 0, with the exception of 5 itself, will be a composite number, as it will always have a factor of 5. Understanding prime and composite numbers is essential for finding factors that can be used in lots of math applications. If you would like some more practice on finding primes and composites, head on over to improvedmath.com and check out the additional resources page. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time.